During the last few years, we've ventured into a lot of different fields. And we've had the opportunity to meet and work with a lot of wonderful people. I only hope that we never lose sight of one thing. That it was all started by a mouse.
Gotta go. But thanks.
Guilty! Thank you, that is all.
He went this way. No, that way.
Do not think you can hide from us.
Heroic adventure.
Put the rubber aloft, matey. They're assembling for a swinging wake.
Welcome to my Christmas delight!
But even now, we're thinking ahead and creating new attractions for months and years to come.